Are you looking for a gift and you're just not sure what to get somebody? Or are you someone who enjoys woodworking and has an interest in it, but doesn't have the knowledge or the facility to do it on a larger scale? If so, we've got a great opportunity for you. What we're offering is an opportunity for you to come to my shop for a 2-day experience and build an actual table that you will either be able to take home yourself, or if you don't have the ability to get it home, we can have it shipped to you. In addition, there will be some downtime where you will have the opportunity to go to the Professional Football Hall of Fame in Canton, Ohio, which is only about a 25-minute drive from my shop. You will also be staying in the heart of Ohio's Amish Country, where there are many other attractions that may interest you as well. In order to make sure each person gets the attention and instruction they need, we are limiting this opportunity to only 5 people. For more information, scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description.